In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill text box with color in Canva. If you want your text to stand out more clearly in your design, adding a colored background behind it is a simple and effective option. Canva makes this easy using the text effect settings. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that feature and how to adjust it so it looks polished. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the page where the text already appears, because this effect is applied directly to a text box inside your design. Once your project is open, click on the text box you want to edit. When the text box is selected, Canva will display the text editing options along the top toolbar. Next, look across that top toolbar and click Effects. This is where Canva keeps several text styling options, including shadows, outlines, and the background effect we need for this task. After opening the Effects panel, select Background. As soon as you do that, Canva will place a colored fill behind the text, creating the look of a highlighted or boxed-in text area. From there, click the color swatch to open the color picker. This lets you choose the background color for the text box. You can pick something bold to create contrast, or use a softer color if you want the design to feel more subtle. A good tip here is to make sure your text color and background color are easy to read together. High contrast usually gives the best visibility. After choosing the color, you can fine-tune the appearance using the available settings. Adjust roundness if you want the edges of the background to look softer and more curved, or keep it lower for a sharper rectangular look. Use spread to control how much space appears around the text, which is helpful if the background feels too tight or too wide. Then adjust transparency if you want the color to appear stronger or more see-through. These controls are useful for matching the style of your overall design without changing the text itself. Take a moment to test a few combinations until the text box looks the way you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how clean and professional the final result feels. And that's it. That's how you fill a text box with color in Canva using the background effect.